Okay, maybe what I'll do is, let me see, we won't go through the too tough one yet. Let us see how we go through this particular school one. Okay, Mahabodhi, question number. This is paper 2 questions, paper 2 questions, okay. We do question 11 first. 11, which is quite okay lah. It's not so bad. This one. You try question 11 first. It's a 3-mark question, okay? And then we'll do other questions, maybe not so tough one, but this is question 11 in paper 2. You know that is the last 7 questions, so it's not so bad. Okay, can you try please to find what is question number 11? And here we go. Okay, okay, you got to crack your head a little bit. I won't give any clues yet. You try. Okay, then you send your answers to me. Question 11 from paper 2. This is paper 2, 3-mark question. Zahin, can you? You believe, you have to believe in yourself, okay? Believe and try. Ravish, can do? All right, another question. Maybe I'll teach you the other question. You need to try this one. Ken? What are you still doing? We give you 1 more minute. We give you 1 more minute, okay? Well, let's see now. Who is this? Putri Jamal. Okay, let us see. I don't think that's the answer. Sorry. Okay. Okay, if you are stuck, I want you to do. Let me someone said. Akil. Okay, let's see now. Yeah. You could be right, Akil. Okay, I want you to try the question I give you first. Okay, you try the question I give you. I'm going to go through step by step the question I just given you. Okay. Okay, we go through my question first, eh? Then after that, you try again. Now Ali had a piggy bank, you know piggy bank, right? So piggy bank, and then in the piggy bank, he has $2 notes and $1 notes. Okay, and the ratio of the $1 notes to $2 notes is 4:1. Okay, the total value of the money inside in the piggy bank is $42. Now, how to do this? Watch, watch step by step. Okay, they tell you now the $1 note to $2 notes is what? 4:1. Means we think in terms of set. We think in terms of set. One set is what? Is 4 $1 notes plus, sorry, 4 $1 notes. 4 $1. 4 $1 notes plus 1 $2 note. Okay, so how much is this? What's the value of one set? One set value. One set value is what? 4 $1 notes is $4, right? Plus how much? 1 $2 note is $2 lah. So one set is $6, you know. Do you understand this set value first? Who don't understand, tell me now. Down here now, they say the number of $1 notes to $2 notes is 4:1. So 4 $1 notes is $4. 1 $2 note is $2. You add together, you get $6. Then what do? You take 42. That's the total value divided by 6 to get the number of sets. How many sets do you get? Oh, 7 sets. So that means you want to find the number of $1 notes. 4 times 7, you get 28. You want to find the $2 notes. 1 times 7, you got 7 $2 notes. Do you get it? You get it? So you do the same thing down here. Think in terms of set. So one set means you got 3 20-cent coins. One set you got 4 50-cent coins. Find the value. What do you do after that? Take the total value, divide by the value of one set. Then you can get how many sets. Can you try? Darvish, you know what I'm talking about? You don't know what I'm talking about. Darvish, you know what I'm talking about? No. Okay, we come again. Okay, now we do the next one. Now this time now, I'm gonna, let's say lah, I'm gonna give you the amount of money already in. Let's say now you have a piggy bank. Okay, the piggy bank, let's say now you have piggy bank down here. Inside this piggy bank, you got 10-cent coins. 10-cent coins, Now, how many 10-cent coins you want? Let's say now we have 3 10-cent coin. Okay, 3 10-cent coin. And then now I got 50-cent coins also, 50-cent coin. Okay, give me a bigger number for 50-cent coin. How many 50-cent coins? I want it to be a multiple of 3. 12 can? 9. Okay, 9. That we say 9. So what? Let us compare now. 10 cent to 50 cent. What is the ratio? 3:9. Then they reduce, get 1:3, correct? Okay. Now the value of this is, what is the value? Is 30 cents, you know. The value is 30 cents. Right? 30 cents, The value down here is how much? 450. Correct? So now total value is how much? You plus together 480. Okay, now down here, watch. I'm going to count in terms of set. One set is how many? 1 10-cent coin, 3 50-cent coins. One set is how much? 1 10-cent coin, 1 10-cent, 1 10-cent coin plus 3 50-cent coins. How much is the value of one set? How much is the value of one set? 10 cents by 150. 3 50-cent coin is 150. What? 150 plus 10 cents is 160. That's the value of one set. Now what do? You take total value. Total value 480 divided by 160. What do you get? How many sets you get? You get 3 sets now. 3 sets. That means 10 cents must have 3. There's 3 10-cent coins. All right, the 1 you times by 3. You get 3 10-cent coins. And then this 3 now times 3 also, you get 9. Can you see that? I get back 9. Because 3 sets, right? So there's 9 50-cent coins. Do you understand?
There's answer 20.
20. Okay, let us see. Hold on. So down here now, I want you to do the same thing. I will write down the steps for you. Then I will check whether okay, you try number 11. Mr. What's his name? Say it's 20. The answer is not 20. The answer is not 20. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put one set. Count in terms of set. How many 20-cent coins? You write down, you fill in. Oh, others are coming in. Okay. The first one's how many 20-cent coins? Allah. How many 20-cent coins?
60.
60? Hold on. One set got how many 50-cent coins? Based on the ratio. Based on the ratio. How many 20-cent coins? Based on ratio. Can you see the ratio here? Guys, you all can see.
20 times 3.
Times 3, right? 3, yeah. You look, this one down here. You just follow this. 3 is for the 20-cent coins. 4 is for the 50-cent coins. So now you put 3 20-cent coins. What's the value of this one? How much?
60.
60 cents. Good. And this one, 4 50-cent coins.
$2.
$2. So what is the value of one set? How much? 260. You agree? $2.60. You use your calculator now. 260 now. Take this one divided by 260.
I got 20.
20 sets. 20 sets. 20 sets doesn't mean 20 20-cent coins. 20 set doesn't mean 20 50-cent coins. One set got how many 20-cent coins? 3, you know. So you must times this by 20. So you're right now. Who was the one who said 60 just now? You got 60 20-cent coins. I repeat, you divide this by 260. And then you get 20 sets. 20 set now. So one set, there's 3 20-cent coins. 20 sets, 3 times 20 got 60 20-cent coins. Now they ask you what's the value of 60 20-cent coins. 60 times 20 cents, how much you get? You get 1,200 cents. Equals to $12. Okay, I need to check one by one. Darwish, you get it? Akhil get it? Ilhan get it? Ilhan, you came in halfway, so I'm not too sure whether you get it. Let's see now. Putri, you get it? Not so sure because you came in halfway. Zahin, you get it? Okay. We try another question. We try the next question. Again, today we are going through ratio and percentage, but we will cover other stuff. Okay. So let's see. We try now the next one. Okay. I just give you a clue of this one. Remember, 100% can differ. Okay, you try. This is question number 12. This is how many marks? 3 marks also. Remember, this is the last 7 questions. So every week we try 2-3 questions of this, okay? Or 4 questions or 5 questions. I want you to be able to do this one so that you have to believe in yourself. Remember, paper 2 now is really, really testing your belief. If you say you give up, and let me tell you, Sec 1 work is not as tough as P6. This question is tougher than Sec 1 work. You must remember that. So never mind, you push yourself, but you have to believe. Believe, did I? Have I? Okay, I'm going to ask everyone one by one whether you understand. Darwish, you think you understand the question? Can do? Akil, you understand the question? Can do? No. Ilhan, you understand the question? Can do? No. Zahin, you understand the question? No. Putri, okay. Now, both Putri, you understand the question? Okay, Darwish, you continue, Darwish. You continue, on your own if you try. But I want you now I want to ask you now. Do you know, you see, 40% of the total amount. Total amount is how many percent? Total amount is how many percent? 100, you know. So down here, Bob and Carl has 100%. Ali got 40%. You have to do something like this. A is to B is to C. Ali got how many percent? 40. These two now is 100%. Combine 100%.
Divide by 2.
But you cannot divide by 2 because later on you will see that. See, Bob, he received 80% of Carl. So it's different, you know. So this is ratio number 1 first. Now ratio number 2, let's see. Ratio number 2, watch. Bob versus Carl. Bob received 80%. Carl, how many percent? 100%. Why? When you say 80% of something, the of something is 100%. See, how come there's 200%? 100% means total, you know. 100% means total. So now down here, you got to make this, you see, 100 plus 180 is 180. This is 100%. Can you change the 100 to 180? You see, I combine this one, it's 180 now. Correct. I want to make the percentage the same. How do I change 100 and times it to make it times by to make it 180? You times by what? 100 times, you just divide, take 180 divide by 100, what do you get? Use your calculator, what do you get? 180 divided by 100. Anyone, come on.
1.8.
1.8. Okay, you times this by 1.8. You times this side by 1.8. Then you can see.
180.
180, you see, you get this one, see? But 40 times 1.8, what do you get?
72.
Okay, now you can do already. Watch, now all of them have the similar ratio already. You can do already. Now you can proceed from here already. Your main challenge was just now down here. Now down here you can proceed. Darwish, you could you get this one, what I'm teaching here? You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, you're trying it. But those who don't get it, you must understand 100% means total. 100% of your stomach size is different from 100% of your parents' stomach size. So 100%, don't think it's 100%. You can make it the same because B and C is supposed to be the same. So can you try to solve? The clue is given here. The clue is given here. Believe, you have to believe. Trust me, trust me on this one, okay? The difference between A and C is belief and whether you do the work with that belief. Okay, we have the first answer. Well done, Putri Karisa. Congratulations. So Putri, you get what I'm teaching. Easy, once you get the click, to find it is very easy. But the challenge is, can you get to this first part? In order to get first part, you must believe and try. You make it the same, you see? I make it 180, this one is 180 or so now. Okay, what about the rest? Can you all get? Akil can do not? Akil, don't say can. Akil, Bob received $96 more than Ali. Bob is 80%. Ali 72%. What's the difference? How many percent? Akil. 8% lah. 8% is $96. Come on, you can do already. You find out what is 1%. 96 divided by 8, what do you get? 12, is it? Is it 12?
Yes.
Yeah. So 12 is 1%. Now, how many percent now here? 72 plus 80 plus 100 is 252, I think. So you find 252%. And you will get 12 times 252, you get 3024. Are we okay? Now, the most difficult part is down here. Okay, so normally in your paper 2 questions, there might be one difficult part. Once you get the difficult part, all the rest is going to be easy. But if you give up, Akil, there's no you give up already. In your head, you say, I cannot. But only you read this one, Bob received $96 more. Oh, Bob received 80%, 72, oh, 8% more. You get it already. Now, you don't give up. As I said, don't give up. I've taught many students. The students that give up, they won't be able to score. You'll be able to pass. Pass, not a problem. Pass to get C, but some you say, I never passed before. Inshallah, you'll pass this paper, inshallah. But to get an A, that's different. So now I'm going to go to another school. Okay, another school. Okay, I want, we are going ratio again. Ratio again. Let's see now. This one is ACS. ACS. That's one. Chinese. By the way, while we're waiting, ACS stands for Anglo-Chinese. Anglo means English. Can you try this question? Be careful. This is question number 5. Might be 2 marks or so, but you can get it right. If you are careless, you'll get it wrong. Read carefully. Read carefully. You can do this. This is ratio now. Hey Zahin, sorry about the other day. I forgot totally. Why did you send me a reminder? I forgot totally, I went back home, I was doing other stuff, I was teaching this, I forgot. So sorry. Then the next day I remember, alamak.
Forget what, Cher?
He asked me some questions. And then after that, I told him when I get back home, when I get back home, I'm going to answer him. But yeah. So, what are the questions? I have not looked at them actually. Okay, Mr. Dawish, they're asking for a ratio. Your answer must be a ratio. You cannot say 14. So ratio of the shaded to unshaded. These black parts to the white part. Your answer must be a ratio. How come your answer got one number? 2, 7. Okay. Shaded is bigger or okay, shaded is bigger or white part is bigger? Shaded, correct? How come your shaded part is smaller? Zahin, good try, but you forgot to minus lah, Zahin. Zahin, I think you forgot to minus. They didn't ask you, Zahin. This square, Zahin, you must minus this. You must minus this square, Then you get the black part outside. The white part doesn't include this black square, You must minus off. I think you didn't minus. Okay, so Dawish and Putri, you have the same answer. But I think the answer is, your answers are wrong. So far, no one has gotten correct. Dawish, please try again. I know this is 2 marks. This is a good question. This question is a good question. It can come out. This is the standard for PSLE. But maybe it might be question 7 or so. It might be a 3-mark question. Zahin, you're close, but you're not close enough. Okay, the problem is you're making the mistake. I think some of you, areas of square is different from shaded part. The shaded part here is not a square, It's a square with a big hole. This square now has a hole. Okay, you try again, you try again. You try. I am going to show you very soon, but I do not want to show you yet. You can do this. Come on, come on. You can do this. Putri, you can do this, Putri. Inshallah. Putri Jamal, where are you, Putri Jamal? Don't hide your away from the video. Come, turn on your video. I like to see you in outer space. Come on, Putri Jamal, you can do this. Darwish, Anaki, I'm so sorry. Both answers are not correct. So far, Zahin, Darwish, Zahin, okay. No. So far, no one got correct. Akil, come on, Akil, you are the one. You are the chosen one, Akil. Come on, Akil, stop shaking your head like that. Give me a headache, lah. I'm not shaking my head. I'm shaking my tummy. All right. We go step by step. Huh? Once I show you, it's no longer fun. No, you sure you want me to show you? Huh? Are you all ready for me to show you?
Wait, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Try lah. Try. Come on, try. Putri, Karisa, try. Don't give up. Believe. Zahin, your second part is correct. The back one is correct. The back number is correct. The front number, you forgot to plus something lah. You forgot to plus one black part. Do you know what it is now? Yes. Do you understand now, Zahin? Okay, first one to get it is Zahin. Darwish, just now your back one is correct, but now I do not know. Now it's Akil. What are you doing? I'm shaking my head. Okay, I'm going to go step by step. Do you know that this one is 1? You all agree that this thing is 1? You agree? Anyone don't understand this one? This one is the smallest one. So I'm going to draw the one out here. The one is here, you know. This one is 1. The white part, this square white part, the white part is 4. But now if you cut out the 1, how much you left with? 3. 3, you know. Because you must cut out the white part. The whole thing is 4. What? You cut out now 3. Yes, thank you. So now that means you know the unshaded part total is 3. Correct, right? There's only this much white part. What? It must be 3. So now let's go for the biggest one, the biggest black square now. The biggest black square, they say total is 13, but you have to cut out the square. This square is how much? It's 4, you know. This part down here, you must minus 4, you know. So this black part is how many? Is 9. 13 minus this big one down here, 3 plus 1 is 4. You must minus this, you get 9. So shaded part is which one? This is shaded part, this one is shaded part. So it's 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is to 3. How get it or not? You get it? I repeat, the whole thing is for 13. You must minus the square. The square is 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. So this part down here is 9. The black part here, 9. The black part inside, you agree, is 1. So the shaded part is 1 plus 9, 10. The big square is 4. Minus 1 get 3. 10 is to 3. Finish. Okay, well, Zahin celebrating. The rest get it. Okay, let me see. Okay, we got to do one more. Darwish, you get it now, Darwish? Okay, now do you think you can solve this? I'm sure you can. But you got to be careful and you have to believe in yourself. And you cannot give so 3 things. You got to be careful, you got to believe in yourself, and you must try until you get the answer. You cannot stop halfway. You cannot say, I don't know, give up. Cannot. Okay, we do the next one. The next one is question number 14, is 4 marks. This one is 2 marks. But again, this might be question 7. The next one can be question, yeah, okay, I'll show you now. Again, it's not so tough. It's a fair question. It's a fair question, number 14. One more. This one now. Please, when you read number 1, believe you can solve. Number 2, you must try until you can get. And number 3, don't give up. Don't give up. All the best. Yeah, you don't need to refer to what I'm doing. For those who need help, I just do like that. You fill in here. Then you fill in this one here. This one you fill in percentage. This one you fill in fraction. This one you fill in number. If I put 1, this one you can fill in 2, you can, yeah. The one I didn't put, you don't need to fill in yet at first. So your ratio got 3 level, 3 layer cake. Karissa, you done made layer cake before now? Lapis? No, have not.
No.
Why you sound so sad today? What do you cook today?
Sotong.
Sotong. I thought 2 weeks ago you saw masak sotong. You like sotong?
Last 2 weeks is sotong masak ikan. This one is sambal sotong.
Sambal sotong. Nowadays, sotong is so expensive. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Chicken is cheaper. Okay, Darwish has given the answer. Let us see, Darwish, whether you're right or wrong. Let us see. So sorry, Mr. Darwish. Come on, Mr. Darwish. It's not okay, but this is question 14. It's the 4th last question. So you got to be careful, Mr. Darwish. Try again, Darwish. Try, Darwish. Don't give up. In 3 minutes time, I will start giving clues. Darwish, if you have your working, you can send to me, no? Then I can check through and see. If you have it, lah. Okay, then I can tell you, I can give you clue what to do. Jamal, all the way here. Which planet are you standing in front of? Is it Earth? Earth? Is it Earth? Is that a picture of Earth? Alamak. Like that. Okay. Okay, thank you. But why don't you don't wanna do like that, this 3? You try to fill up now. Show me again. David, show me again. Okay, because you can't see the connection. If you do it this way, you can see the connection. Let me see Zahin now. How is he doing? Zahin, wait, hold on. I cannot see you. Zahin can do not? Don't know, not sure. Akil, you seem to be dancing and I think we can. Don't give up so fast. Akil, don't give up so fast.
Is my answer correct?
The answer is not correct. I'm so sorry.
Asking for.
Okay, we go step by step. Now I'm going to read through if you are. Can I read through you guys? Then you see whether you can take him.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is the total 100%, sure?
Total, yeah, 100%. Yes, correct.
Then how come it's wrong?
Okay, we go step by step. There are 3 persons: Jerry, Ken, Leon. This part you understand, right? Now, for one of them, you know how many stamps he has. So now down here, I put number. This is not no number. Only one of them, you know, have the number. I fill up the number down here, 408. You can do the same thing in your paper. Okay. Now, for this one now, down here, Ken took 1/4 of the remainder. Okay, so 1/4, the remainder, one quarter goes to Ken. So can I put Ken on here 1? Then Leon got how many? Ken got 1/4. Leon must have 3/4. Good, 3 lah. So far okay not? Who doesn't understand this? But you tell me now. Anyone don't understand? I need to check, look through one by one. Darwish, you okay? Darwish, with my ratio, you understand? Akil, which part do you do? You're shaking your head. That means you understand this one. 408 there. They give 408. Then after that, there's a remainder. No, this is remainder. So remainder Ken got 1, and then 3/4 is the balance lah. That means Leon must have 3 lah. Okay. Now you cannot have 0.92. Can no decimal place. How come stamps got point? The koyak, terkoyak. Cannot, no koyak. Now the next one. Watch. Watch carefully. Once you get this, you know how to do already. This one 24%. 24% is the same as number 3 lah. So what is 1? How many? Come on. 1 is how many percent? 1 is how many? 8 You see 24 divided by 3, get 8. Look, if this is 24%, this is 8%. How many percent is this?
62.
62%. Are you sure 62? No. 24 plus 8 is 32, you know. 100 minus 32 is how much? 68. I think that's where your mistake is now. Now 68% is 408. You can solve already. You can solve already. Come on, guys. Now you want to find out 68% is 408. You can find 1%. 1% is how much?
600.
1% is 6. 100% is 600. So Darwish, that means you made just a careless mistake. What a waste. As I say, you got to be careful. You got to believe in yourself, and you got to not give up. These 3 things. So now down here, 68% is 400. Then you find 1%. 1% is 6. Then you want what? How many of them they have to go 100%? So 6 times 100, 600. Now I'm going to ask you, Darwish, you got no problem with this, right? Putri Karisa, do you understand this question? Putri Karisa, can, right? I go and take quarter to make percentage. Yes, you're correct. You can make percentage down here 25%, 25, 75. But this one is only of remainder. Because this is remainder, not total, you know. That's why when you make this, you become 100% already. So that's why you ask me, the whole thing 100%, yeah, whole thing 100%. But you see, there is a different down here. See, this is 24%. So you have to change 75. You know what I'm talking about. Yes, huh? So now, boys and girls, you can do this. It's not so tough. This is the real standard of PSLE for the tough questions, like that. But if you just believe in yourself, you surely can do it. Okay, I won't talk too much now. We will now move to. I do not want to just do all tough questions. It might be very depressing. So because otherwise you say very tough maths. So we are now going to do the whole different question. Okay, we will start from the beginning. Okay, we'll start. So we go at speed. Okay, here we go. This is 2018. So there's some questions not. Please, no mistakes for this one. Can question 1, 2, 3. Please send in your answers. Come. You go in your friend's house. Why, Akil? Why you gonna leave us? Don't be playing skateboard now. You wanna go? When you going now? You going now? No. Doesn't like us, this guy. Leave us here. Darwish, just a moment. Let's check now. Putri Jamal and Darwish has given the answer. Wow, Darwish, according to the answer key, this is Mahabodhi, right? According to the answer key, Darwish, your answer is not correct. Putri Jamal, according to answer key, your answer is also not correct. Zahin according to answer key is also not correct. Let me see. You all are making careless mistake lah. How come you making careless mistake? Vishan, Putri Jamal, you put all the answer. Ipu lah. Come on. Okay, we ask Putri Karisa. What's your answer for number one? Akil, this one you can do number one. Come on. Dawish, this one you cannot make the mistake in question one. Okay. Zahin correct. Karisa correct. Dawish still making same mistake. Ilhan, you got to check now. Hey, this is okay. We check. This is 1,000. 60,000 how? 60 at a 3 zeros. 60 at 3 zeros. This one is 60,000 lah. This is 600,000. This is 600,004. This is 6,400. Only this one 60,000. Hey, you are making careless mistakes. If you tell me you don't know this, there's something is wrong. This is 60,000. You write 60. Put the 3 zeros. So remember, as I said, don't be overconfident. No, you must be careful. 40 tens. See how to do 40 10. Add the zero. 10 got 1 0. Add 1 0. 15 1 15. So 60,000 plus 400 plus 15. Okay, this one you should have mastered before this year lah. But if you have not, this is the answer. All right, you try question number 2 and 3. Let me check now your answer now. Okay. Dawish, you must tell me which one question 2 and which one question 3. Puteri, Karisa, your answer, according to answer key, your answer is right. Zahin, according to answer key, your answer is not correct. Putri Jamal, according to answer key, your answer is right. Ilhan, okay, I think this is, if that's answer for question number 2, not correct. Putri Jamal, answer for question number 3, your answer is correct according to answer key, and also Karisa. Well, the girls seem to be on the thing. What about Dawish? Hey, Dawish, where's your answer, Dawish? Okay, Zahin, your answer is correct. Dawish, is that your answer for number 2? Which one? The one answer you guys gave me. Okay, Zahin, well done. The answer for number 3 is correct. Dawish, is this the answer for number 2? Number 2 is what's your answer? Okay, very simple, this one. Dawish says number 2. Number 2. I do not know. Okay, now I do not know which. Okay, 2 ways of doing it. He ask you how many 8. You change the bottom to be 8 lah. That's one way. So how much you get? 2 times 2 times 2, 6, 8. Make it improper fraction. 2 times 8, 16. Plus 6, 22 over 8. So the answer is 20. There's 22 8s. You say, I don't understand this method. Can you give me another method? Very simple, another method. You just divide by 1 8. Say divide by 1 8. Yeah, you can also divide by 1 over 8. But you must change this to improper fraction. 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 over 4. Now change, divide to times. Times by 8 over 1. Divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 2. 11 times 2, 22. You get this answer also. The next one, this one just shift lah. Put a dot on here, divide by 1,000. 33 kg and 40 grams. Okay. I hope this is okay. Hey guys, this one you cannot make mistake. You make mistake, you are not ready therefore. If you are making this one, speed nothing. You want to do this one. Okay, we try this. We try question number 6. Dawish, well done. Zahin, well done. Putri Jamal, check. Akil, what about you, Akil? I don't see answer. Okay, well done, well done. Very unlucky number, Putri Jamal.
According to the Chinese, they think it's unlucky number.
Say. Now Ilhan know the answer already. Okay, very quick, very easy. 3, Akil, 3 is it? Cannot be 3 lah. Okay, now we go one by one now. We go one by one. 4. Okay, 4 is the correct answer. Okay, here we go. How do you find correct answer? ACE, this angle, plus ECB, this one is 180 degrees. They tell you it's straight line, right? AB straight line. So this is confirmed correct. They say, what about the rest? Okay, let us see now the rest. ACD and EC is not equal, right? This is not straight. This one is not straight line. If straight line, then it's equal, not straight line, so cannot be. So ACE and this one also not straight line on here, sengat, cannot be. What about the last one? ECB, this one, plus BC, this one not straight line, how can it be 180 degrees? So it's quite easy, yeah? Please, you can do this, come on. This one, perimeter. Darwish, you're making careless mistake, Darwish. I'm going to strangle you, Darwish. Darwish, this is not your standard, Darwish. You must be careful. I told you, you must be careful. Putri Jamal, what's your answer? How many? Zahin, well done. Putri Karisa, you gave your answer, is it? Not yet. Darwish, well done, Darwish. You be careful, Darwish. I know you can do it, but you got to be careful. If you're not careful, that's it. Putri Jamal. Oh, no. Oh, you are giving. Okay. Not correct, Putri Jamal. Not correct. Okay, one more minute. Putri Jamal, still not correct. Okay, here we go. 2. Okay, let us see whether 2 is correct. What is this is a square now. All these sides are the same. Putri Karisa, well done. So this one now down here is 9. Putri Jamal, correct. This one is 4. This one must be 5 lah. This one is 5. How I get 5? 9 minus 4 get 5. Then this one is 6. 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. You will get 40. But I don't do that way. I do another method. I'll show you my method. I prefer this method. Why? Because it's very easy for me, very fast to count. This one is 11. This one is also 11. 11 plus 11. And then what I do? Down here, 9. This one is also 9. So 9 plus 11, 20. 20 times 2, 40. Pop, very fast. I can do mentally. You see what I do now? 11 plus 11. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 11, 20. 9 plus 11, 20. 20, 20, 40. So the answer is 40, yeah? Okay, please. You can do this. Primary 4 work. Okay, if you do not know this one, someone going to the mosque, no, it's not temple, you must know. If you can say temple, you get it wrong, it's okay, not okay. Well done, Zawish. Zahin, according to answer key, is not correct. Putri Jamal, according to the answer key, is not correct. You must read carefully, they tell you this, off the mosque. That means you put your compass down here. Hello, you put your compass down here. Put your compass down here.
1.
You see that means either you put down here or put down here. If you put down here means you will get 1. Did they ask you to put a compass here? You see what they are saying. Which one? 1 or 4?
4.
4, because you must put your compass here. Why? Off the mosque, from the mosque. Off the mosque, you must put at the compass and the mosque. And then you got to go this way. Oh, this one is down here is VWE. So, and then south is here, right? Southwest. Okay, Putri Karisa, don't cry. Okay, it's okay. This one, no, speed, no, speed. This one actually, okay, never mind, now we don't do that one. This one now, this one very easy, yeah. This one you will test it. You know, volume, P5 volume is tested. This is P5 volume. Wow, very fast, huh? Zahin, well done. Putri Jamal, well done. Dawish, well done. Very fast, very fast, very good. Putri Karisa, do you give the answer for that? Haven't yet. Okay, if you need to draw lah. Base, what is base? Base is the bottom. If someone asks what's your base, if you are sitting down, your base is your backside. If you are standing up, your base is your feet. So down here is 4 by 4. This is a square. I know I'm not drawing it properly. Then down here is 5. Come on. Hey, you can do this. Come on. You say number 2. You're wrong, lah, Mr. Akil. Come on, Akil. Don't take it 2 legs. Come on, Akil. Now, 5 times 4 times 4, very simple. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 5, 80. Or 5 times 4, 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 4, 80. Length times breadth times height, that's it. Okay, you cannot throw away marks. I notice. Some of you are making mistakes. You should not be making mistakes like that. Okay, here we go. Number 12. Putri Karisa, congratulations. Zahin, congratulations. Dawish, congratulations. Now the pressure now. Everyone say congratulations. Akil, congratulations. What about Ilhan and Putri Kasih? Oh, this is a very nice cat. Putri Kasih is just in love with the cat. Okay, well done, Ilhan. Now down here, watch, very simple, very, very simple. U times, you get 4.8. Now you want 48 to go how many decimal place backwards? 1. 1 means 1 0. That's it. You see 2 0, you move 2 spaces. Now this one, you want to move 1 space. No, not this one. This one is not correct. Yeah, I repeat, Putri Jamal, see? Times 100, shift 1, shift 2, you get 4.8. Now, how to get to 4.8 for this one? 48, how you get 4.8? You have to shift 1 down here. When you shift 1, it means 1 0. Okay, be careful. Again, if you are making mistakes, you are careless. This one now. Okay. 2 marks. All these are 2 marks. From 11 to 15 is 2 marks. Okay, we got to think through. Let me see. I do not know. Have you given the answer? This is question number 13. Ilhan, well done. Putri Jamal, you give your answer ready? Yes, sir. You give ready. Congratulations, that's correct. Zahin, please check. Akil, well done. But I do not know whether you'll get it for real or by luck or how. But think carefully, Take your time. Zahin, okay, well done. Okay, we're going to go through shortly. Okay, Davish can do not Davish. Davish pressure, Davish. So sorry, Mr. Davish, you got to cannot be like Davish. Does it make sense now? Allowance, how much money he get? He can spend $50 of allowance. He only got 44. How can spend 50? Not logical lah. Davish, come on. Cannot be that. If you know what I mean, right? Allowance means the amount of money he get. You only get 44. How can you spend 50? Okay, Putri Karissa, okay, well done. So we go one by one, okay? Okay, this one is a little bit tricky, eh? A little bit tricky. Now let us first of all find out. He increased his spending by 10%. So I find 10% times by 50. Then what do I get? I get $5. Ding, 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 $5. You see, his allowance is fixed. Now, at first, this is $50, you know. $50. Now he increased by $5. Where did he get this $5 from? It's from the savings, you know. Okay, so now I'm going to draw like that. This is now $50. So he spent. This one now we assume he's saving. Savings, bottom. Now, if he increase the $5 here, he take the money from here, you know. So you see, increase by 10%. Okay. Then you say decrease, this thing go down. Go down by $5, but it's by you lose 20%. Oh, that means savings, savings, for savings, okay? Savings, 20% is how much? 20% is $5. You must be able to get that. 20% is $5, you know. And then 100% is how much? 100% is $25. Okay. 120. How you get 25? Times 5. Times 5. So originally you got saving is $25. Originally his expenditure was $50. 50 plus 25 is 75. I hope you're okay. Davish, you get it, Davish? Okay, we move on, okay? So guys, I want you to know your weakness. There's this guy. Okay, this guy. Who is this guy? He says his name is, let me just share with you. Okay, this is a 2,000-year-old book. A 2,000-year-old book. Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Not the art of dating, the art of war. This is now a 2,000-year-old book. You see, we look art of war. This is, he was living 5th century BC, you know, very, very long time ago, 2,000 years ago. And he wrote about how to win wars. This is a very special book. So what did he say? He says, you must know yourself, your weakness, then you can win the war. Okay, later I'll find that quote, I'll show you. You see, you know your enemy, you know yourself, you surely will win the war. That means you know the exam, you know your weakness. Your weakness is carelessness. So you work on your carelessness. But if you know your enemy, you don't know yourself, you might lose the war. If you don't know the enemy, don't know yourself, even worse, you lose everything. So now you must know yourself, you know. See what I know myself. Sometimes you might be very, very excited. You see the question, oh, easy. Wrong. There's one student, I taught last year. I asked her, how's the paper? She said, very easy, and she failed worse than her friends. Her friends, some of them almost passed. But she said, very easy. So I think, and she was better than them, overconfident. So you got to be careful now. Okay, you're overconfident. I saw Davish was overconfident some way just now. Am I correct, Davish? The mistakes, you know that careless mistake means you're overconfident. You say easy lah, this one. Don't assume. Your enemy, and this is like your enemy now. The test paper is like your enemy. Don't assume that it's easy. Okay, this one. One is one. What scary face you have lah, Mr. Akil. Kenapa begitu? Macam takut saya aku tengok kau. Okay, come. Here we go. All right, 20. This is easy, 16, 17. If you get it wrong, that means you're careless lah. How many common factors are there? See, what are factors? Don't ask me that. Yes, I did lah. Numbers that 24 and 32 can divide by. What are the same numbers? So you write down out of here. You write down that 1 times 24. Then what else to make 24? Why am I doing this? Because some of you may have forgotten factors. 2 times what? So how many of them are same numbers? Both of them are the same. No, they didn't ask you to list, Zahin. They didn't ask you to list. They ask you what are the common factors. Common factors, you understand common factor down here now. This one is 1 times 32. Okay. So down here, oh yeah. This one and this one are same. This is common. So far there's one common factor. How many common factors are there? Are you sure 32 is a common factor, Zain? For 24, what times 32 equals to 24? So, Carissa, how many? They asked you how many, didn't tell you how many. You're not reading the question carefully. Don't write out the answer here, no. You got the answer, Carissa. Darwish, you're making a careless mistake. Yes, well done. Darwish, you cannot make a careless mistake. Your standard is high. Okay, so if I'm strict with you, it's okay, because this is not your standard. You make careless mistake like that. Putri Jamal, your answer is correct, Putri Jamal, but they didn't ask you to list. They asked you how many numbers are there. How many numbers? There are how many numbers? Factors are numbers lah. Zahin, no, too many lah. Okay, you tell me what are the numbers, Zahin. You tell me now. You type and tell me. What are the numbers? I'll cross out the numbers that are not. 1, you agree? It's a factor. What else, Zahin? 2. Some more? 3. 32 cannot divide by 3 lah. 4. Okay, 4. Some more?
8.
8 ah. Yes, that's it lah. Zahin, where's the other 2, Zahin? No more lah. 1, 2. You must have both can divide it by, So there's only 4. So 2 of the girls they write this is the answer. Yes, you are correct. This is the answer. But you must write 4. Because they ask you how many. So you must answer to the question. I don't think I need to teach you this because you already know. 17, come on, 17. Yeah.
Did somebody did a careless mistake like suddenly go over the number 10?
Yes.
Then keep on going.
Going on, yes. There's some lah, some. Darwish, well done. Zahin, well done. Putri Carissa, well done. Putri Jamal, well done. We're waiting for Akil and Elhan. What's the answer for this one? Come on. This one's giveaway question, Okay, you change 2 times. It's 1/12, right? Cancel, divide by 3, you get 4. So 1/40, easy, Okay, so we move on to the next one. I assume you all got no problem with that. This one. This is primary 3 to some degree, right? Primary 4 also have this question. They test you at primary 6.
$9.5.
Don't tell the answer. Okay, you already gave your answer. But don't believe his answer. His answer might be right, might be wrong. Okay. Darwish, well done. Okay. So far, 2 persons have given the answer. One of them is careless. Zahin. From that answer, it means you're careless, Zahin. Zahin down here tak ada apa-apa, Zahin. Kosong kat sini, kosong. How come you include this phrase also? Carissa, careless. Zahin, well done. Putri Jamal, why are the two girls giving the same answer? I like her. Yeah, you may like her, but please. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, this one very easy lah. Okay, you want me to switch? I will have to.
Eight.
Ilhan, same thing. You give the same answer as come same as okay, down here. Imagine, okay, if you can't get it, okay, I want you to imagine now. Yes, two buildings. Okay, one is a short. Terbalik ah. Allah Akbar. Sorry. Down here, hold on. Down here. Imagine if you don't get it. Imagine now. There's two buildings. One is a short building like that. This short building is only 2 cm. And then there's also a tall building. Tall building is 11.5 cm. You need to minus 11.5. Oh, no, not 11.5. 10.5 minus the 2 cm. Akil, what's the answer? 8.5. How come you get 9.5? You see, this is 10.5, correct? This is 2. You minus that, you get 8.5. But you all are still making careless mistakes. I do not know what to say. Please. You see, I'm very charitable. I like to give away marks. Okay lah, up to you. We cannot force students. To charity, bukan real charity. Okay, question 19. Question 19. Here we go. Siblings is brothers and sisters. Last time when I was your age, I don't know what's the meaning of sibling. No? Now Singaporeans English is quite better. Ilhan, you know your mistake, Ilhan? Oh, very fast, Putri Jamal. But according to the answer key, Putri Jamal, it's not correct. According to the answer key. You must understand what the question is saying. How many boys are I rephrase to you? How many boys have the most number of brothers and sisters? That's what they're saying. It's a very simple one. So far, Darwish and Darwish is well done. Darwish, well done. Ilhan, well done. Putri Jamal, Zahin, and yeah, you got to check. Zahin, you got to check. So they didn't. Okay, I think you are multiplying things. Down here, I read to you. Okay, 4 boys. Okay, down here. 10 boys have no brothers and sisters. 12 boys got 1 brother or sister. 4 boys got 2 brothers and sisters. 8 boys got 3 brothers and sisters. And 6 boys got 4 brothers and sisters. Who have the greatest number of brothers and sisters? Is this 4 brothers and sisters, right? So is what? Is this 6 lah? 6 of them have the most number of brothers and sisters. This is your trick is in the language. They're asking you how many of them have the most number of brothers and sisters, siblings. Or 6 of them but most number. Because they got 4. Okay. If you say 36, 30, where you get the number of boys? They say how many boys, you know? Oh, 6 boys have most number of siblings. Yeah, I hope you get what it is. Algebra. Allah Akbar. Okay, if you are stuck for this one, please change the n to a number. Make the numbers easy for yourself. Follow the same steps. Darwish, well done. But Darwish, you can reduce the lowest terms. Akil, you have the correct answer for No. Sorry, Akil, you don't have the correct answer. No, Akil, no. Zahin, you have something, but you missed something out. You can still go down further, Darwish. Okay, yes. Zahin, your answer is correct, but now reduce the lowest term. Darwish, your answer is finally correct, but remove the one there. Putri Jamal, not so. Putri Karisa, you almost there. Darwish, well done. Zahin, you reduce to simplest form. Okay, we go one by one. If you don't understand, and if you don't understand, it's okay. We let us have this. Let's say now, this one is 20 cookies. Okay, then he gave each student 2 cookies. After giving 2 cookies, he had 4 cookies left. So they ask you for the number of pupils. Okay, see number of pupils. Okay, take 20 minus the 4. You get 16. So this is the number of cookies he gave out. Because you see, he got 20 at first, then he got 4 left. So how many give out? 16. Then how to find the number of pupils? 16 divided by 2. Because each student get 2. So now you get 8 students. Example, this example. Notice I write the steps. So what do? I follow the same steps. 20 minus 4. So I take 5n minus n. Oh, 5n minus n, I get 4n lah. Okay. And then what I do? Oh, the answer divided by the number of cookies per person. So 4n divided by 8. So Zahin, your answer is really correct. This is correct answer actually, but not simplest form. You have to divide by 4, divide by 4. Because so 4 divided by 4, you 1n, 1n is n over 2. Okay, let's see. Yes, Putri Jamal, yes, well done. I got to check with you and understand what I'm teaching here. Let's see, hold on. Darwish, okay, right? Akil, you understand, Akil? Karisa, you understand, Karisa? Not yet, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir. How come your voice like that? Okay, let's see, All right, we move on, Can we move on? You know how fast time flies? You know we only got 13 minutes left. Very fast, right? So when you're engaged, it's very, very fast. Okay, this one now. Question number 21. If you need to draw a model, please carry on.
So the answer got decimal.
Yes, there is a decimal. It is a decimal. And this is a topic on decimal.
Is my answer correct?
Congratulations, Darwish. Congratulations, Putri Karisa. Well done. Not too tough, right? Take your time. You can draw a model if you want to. Okay, to help those who cannot imagine, I'll just draw a model. This is the whole ribbon. This 70.1. Then he cut this one, he give away. Give away, give away. Then this is the remaining ribbon. Well done, Akil. Remaining, eh? So how much is this, the remaining? Find out now, you can do. The whole thing, you know what? Well done, Putri Jamal. Okay, means all of you are able to get it ready. Okay, so you find, take 6 times 8.7. You'll get 52.2. 70.1 minus 52.2 give you here. You get 17.9 cm. Well done to all. Hey, very easy lah. Careful lah. Those who are overconfident, you should knock your head against the wall for this one if you get it wrong. But don't you knock your head after you complain to the parents, say, yeah, my tutor asked me to knock my head to become smarter. No, huh? I say, as a punishment for yourself becoming careless. So if you get this wrong, it's careless, eh? Those answers coming in. Zahin, C-A-R-E-L-E-S-S. Come on, Zahin. You don't just got Sabuta with 29. Formula for area, half times base times height. Base and height must meet at 90 degrees. Mean. Come on, Zahid. Dawish, careless. Half times base times height is the formula for the. Congratulations, Akil. Congratulations, Zahin. Akil, you came in first. Well done. Notice, you careful, you get it. Ilhan, sorry, try again. Come on. Very easy, very easy lah. You just need to be careful. As I say, 3 things to score. Careful, believe in yourself, do until you can solve. Okay, so now this one is 70. This is the perimeter. 70 minus 29 minus 21. What do you get? You get 20 cm. So 20 cm. Now you must find out what is the base and height. This is the base. This one is height lah. Okay, so half, Putri Jamal not correct. Half times base times height. 21. Yes, Carissa. Times 20. So how to do it fast? Okay, divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 10. 21 times 20, times 10. 210 square cm. Finish. Done deal. Those of you who use 29, the base and height must meet at 90 degrees. Remember that. The base and height must meet at 90 degrees. You cannot use 29. Okay, we have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. I know you might be tired. It's okay. Okay, we try the question 23. How many of them have both perpendicular and parallel? Parallel, you know the meaning is here, right? 2 straight lines. Perpendicular, the Ultraman meeting at 90 degrees. And this question is a mistake lah. Sorry lah. Okay, because they will say this one is parallel, no perpendicular. This one, rhombus can have perpendicular. Okay, forget it. There's a mistake in question. Sorry, yeah. Question 24. Well done, Mr. Dawish. Very fast. But Zahin, your answer to the previous question is correct according to answer key lah, the one you type. But there's a mistake. But it's okay.
Answer correct.
Your answer is correct. Well done. What about the rest? Yeah, your guess is correct, Putri Jamal. Ilhan is not correct. Yours is now the next one. The next one is not correct, Dawish. Let me see who else I've given. Dawish, Putri Karisa. Good guess, Putri Jamal. Then you can do question 25. Well done, Ilhan. Akil can do not? Hey, don't say cannot lah. Hey, this one now. We do not know how many red balls, but there's 76 blue balls. So you minus now 76. How much you have? Minus 6 left is 70. Then they say total 120 balls left. 70 plus what equals to 120?
50.
50. So then you must plus the 8 that he broke lah. 58. Finish. Easy, right? Okay, if it doesn't click, you got the. All right, let us see now the next one. It's a fraction, huh? The next one is a fraction. Okay, so far no one has gotten the answer to 25. So I'm gonna clear 25.
Sure.
Yeah, very easy lah, Zuhan. Okay, this part down here, they didn't say half of it, you know. They just get half liter. You can even cancel this one. You can even cancel this one. It's the same meaning. Come on, straightforward. Don't be confused between half and half liter. Zahir, got to check. Those of you think it's 4.5. Okay, that means you are making mistake of thinking it's half.
Is it 1/4?
1/4, no, cannot be. Look, okay, now 1/4 he drank. What is 1/4 of 12? Which we find out 1/4 of 12.
3.
3, good, right? So now if you get 3, that means how many liters left?
9.
9. And then after that, 9 liters. Then he gave half a liter to the neighbor. 8.5 lah left. Finish. You see, but why? But I thought this one have to be half. This, if they did not put the liter, then you must take half of 9. They get 4.5. But they give you liter. You understand? Okay, let's say you say you don't understand. Okay, I want half of your money. And I want half $1. So half your money, it means all your money in the bank. Let's say you got 10,000, I want half lah. But half dollar is 50 cents only. Different, huh? Okay, we do one last question. Okay, you can see some of you cannot tahan. Question number 26. Yes, yeah, no problem. Yes, sir, no problem. Okay, Zahin, let's see. Zahin, your answer is correct, but in ratio, we do not want to have a decimal. Can you make sure that you're going times by 2 so that the 1.5 is no longer 1.5? Zahin. Dawish, same thing, 1.5. Can you make it a whole number? Zahin, 1.5, don't want decimal, Zahin. Zahin, times by 2. Zahin! 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 Fella listening. 1.5 do one. Oh, you. But then you forgot to times the 4 lah. Apa lah this boy? Darwish, well done. The 3 also you forgot also. Takkan you times 1, 1.5, then you don't times the rest. Okay, I'm going to go through now. Very, very simple. This question is very simple. They want you to what? Rock melon, mango, guava. Now do this. If you don't understand how, which one is what? This one is mango lah. This one is rock melon. I see. So rock melon is 4. Mango is 3 lah. And then they tell you that guava is half of mango, so half is 1.5. Yeah, but you cannot write like that. So how? Make it into the whole number times 2 lah. You get 3. Okay. If you times 2 and 3 down here, Zahin, you must also times this by 2. Zahin, must also times by 2 lah. How come you didn't times by 2? Now you times by 2. 8 is to 3, 6 is to 3. Zahin, you get it or Zahin? You all get it, Putri Karisa, you get it? Okay. So I can see you are very, very tired lah. But you should congratulate yourself. You have been able to concentrate 1.5 hours using your brain. No, very good. Right? You don't normally do this, no, right? I know. I've taught many students. If you have concentrated and you tried your best, well done. You need to do this more and more and more. Your brain is going to be very fast, inshallah. Okay? Take care of yourself. All the best. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.